Hi, my name's Matt, this is Matchbook Custom, and in this episode, I'm going to show you a load of cool shit that I forgot to put in the last episode, so I won't waffle on this time because I did last time. Keep watching, you won't want to miss out. Thank you, bye. So that was Neil's bike, which I think is the only 135 or Screaming Eagle 135 kit in the UK anyway, because we did the engine work and we struggled to get the tuning side of things done. The guys at BSD managed to sort it out, I think using the Thundermax kit. So, but anyway, that's it. That was him seeing it for the first time, starting it for the first time, and hearing it for the first time. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Now we have this two-tone thing. I mean, it kind of worked. I think if I was a bit more finicky with regards to my masking, it could have come out better. But I mean, I'm gonna do the calipers on HMS yellow with a black stripe, so hopefully I can make that work. And before we go home, I just want to float the idea out to you guys. So no reverse gear is one of the episodes or the series that we really enjoyed beforehand, because it was somebody else coming into the shop and it was how we were working, and it was like an interview situation where it was from an outsider's point of view. That seems to have been on the wayside for a little while. So the plan at the minute, and I do need some more equipment, and I am, you know, playing around with ideas and stuff, but we think we might turn No Reverse Gear into a podcast focused on us a little bit and the characters that we look after, some of the stories and some of the trips that we help people with on their bikes. I think would make for a really good, interesting conversation topic. Also, all of the other shit that we all talk anyway. So let me know in the comments after you've liked and subscribed what you think to our podcast idea. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully this is going to be an interesting video, but I don't know.
Action.
But before we go, you've got to see the shocker yellow crank and shit we've done. And stuff. Not shit. Stuff. Definitely not shit.
No, it's not for the first time, eh?
In my booty.
Not in there. It's not in there enough.
Holy shit, look at that.
No, that's a nice colour.
Look at that. Look how much it's dripped.
Oh, yeah, it's like the Hulk.
interesting.
Go your way.
So that needs a chrome under it, definitely. Alright. This is not our usual smooth process.
Need to get this on camera.
Yeah.
Make sure you're filming this bit.
I mean, I love that colour.
So that's just a sample
Yeah.
straight onto bare metal.
Yeah.
Just for shits and giggles.
Yeah. It's dripped quite well in there. So, I love that.
Is
And that.
different than the sample.
Yeah, that's because that's got a slightly, that's a more alley background.
Okay.
Whereas that's just gone straight see-through like a candy, isn't it?
I didn't realise it was quite that candy.
I like that.